Work from home has become necessity and inevitable because of this new lifestyle. Currently, more than 60% of organizations are offering positions of working from home. Work from home have added a completely new dimension to a professional life. So, here are top 11 tips that can enhance your productivity while working from home. These tips will also provide you with an insight to reap maximum benefits while working from home. Define a workspace in your home. Designate comfortable, quiet area within your home from where you can work with focus and concentration. Set up a desk with computer as well as office supply. In short, create effective office ambience. Plan work hours. It is essential to plan or designate your work hours. Time boxing for working hours is essential to ensure greater productivity with focused approach. Time audit is better technique to discover your most productive hours. Disciplined approach also provides an edge towards dedicated work hours and better work-life balance. Maintain to-do list. The way we have speedometers to keep track of our driving speed, to-do lists helps us to remember and complete as well as restructure our activities and tasks. Maintaining a to-do list is very important tool which we can incorporate as an habit. Plan your to-do list every morning and update it every evening. Here is a bonus tip. Various project management apps are available to assist you to ensure that you complete your work in time as well as do not forget any of your projects or important ones. So, use them. Health is wealth. It's undisputed. Healthy mind and healthy body are the backbone of growth and success. Eat healthy food. Eat at regular intervals. Exercise and stretches are must to avoid sedentary lifestyle. Walking is the best exercise. Follow it. Set up alarms for regular intervals and stretch as well as relax your eyes. Take short breaks at regular intervals. Manage yourself and not time. Challenge is to manage ourselves and not time, as managing ourselves is art. Our video will give you an important insight as well as various tips on the same topic. Click on the link below in the description box or I button above. Stay off social media, a very difficult but achievable task. Social media distancing is now most sought approach to be productive and successful. Social media eats up our time unimaginably. Inculcate the habit to distance yourself from social media. Our time boxing video provides you with detailed approach about social media distancing. Self-motivation. Being self-motivated is must, believe me. And how can we be self-motivated? Keep a vision board in front of your desk. Listen to motivating music. Create your reward systems to keep yourself motivated. The self-motivational techniques have been proved successful even for highly procrastinated works by professionals having procrastinating habits. Mind your posture. Use ergonomically safe chair, table or desk to work. Ensure you have footrest, lower back support, armrest and your screen is in line with your eyesight. This will help you to avoid back pain, frozen shoulders or elbow, wrist and cervical pain or even neck pain. Keep moving. With long working hours and small spaces at home, we tend to sit continuously for hours together. Micro breaks after every 20 to 30 minutes of focused work are immensely beneficial. Include following during micro breaks. Walk to grab a glass of water. Walk while attending a phone call. Avoid family and friends. This could be a really difficult task to adhere to while working from home. Make sure to communicate your work times with your family, relatives and friends very clearly. Also, Make your family understand the importance of work-life balance as well as ask them to support you with your segregated work times. Be technology savvy. Technology is backbone for us when we work from home. Use good quality communication tools, essential equipment like headphones, webcams, table, chair, mouse, keyboards, etc. These are investments which will enhance your productivity. So friends, being focused and strictly adhering to the work schedules will provide us with the job satisfaction of working from home. So now is the time to change our mindsets, habits as well as beliefs about work and work productivity. Thank you for being with Sahaj Soch. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.